Well, they're scrubbing it down with steel wool, some Comet, some vinegar, some soap, and scrub everything that's down that's loose. Try to get it to separate. Change a little color and come off. And get it so we can apply stuff to it and it comes out decent. This will keep us and knock everything that's loose off and be able to preserve and keep the original patina look to it. And just loosen everything up. Yeah, that back area, I had to scrub it 2-3 different times. I scrubbed it down, rinsed it, scrubbed it again. You know, like I said, don't hesitate to go through the SOS pads and scrub everything you can.
Rolling. Okay. Now, back in the day, they just slide this piece in, but since it's been in there for 95 years probably, back in the day, this is the easiest way we see of pulling this out. We're going to clear coat everything, so the last thing I want to do is put penetrating oil all over this to slide this out, and I'm gradually prying this bad boy out. You can see it doesn't take much to get it out of here. So you can see right here, this is why we're taking this son of a bitch out. We don't want that crap. And then up there in the corner, Harry, that wood's rotten. So I'm gonna take this off, probably take the top out. And then I don't know if we're gonna put the headliner on with this wood on the car or off the car. I haven't decided yet, but it can be done either way.
That's what I was saying about the other one, the other car one. You just, it's no good to come off, it's just done.
Did you get her, Harry?
No.
Okay, this other piece of the gutter is just held on here by nails, so we got to work our way out, work our way down, prying this out. Just real easy. I mean, we're gonna end up replacing everything, but I just want to make sure I'm not damaging anything underneath, because I'm not sure what needs replaced yet. because we're gonna end up, there's some wood in the top here that's a little messed up, and I'm not sure how much or if any we're gonna need replaced, the whole thing or a little bit, because we do know, well, that one just broke right off.
Got it started coming out. Working it.
But yeah, you can see this header here. This is all this was made out of. Everything up underneath here is wood. But you can see, I believe this header over here, the side of this header, I'm not sure. Well, the header ends here. And then you got another piece right here. You can see how rotten that is. So we do have some wood that's going to need replaced, but not sure how much yet. Down through, we're getting the last of the nails out of this thing. Be able to see exactly what we're dealing with here. Pull up this top a little bit, show you how this is all working. Got that, Harry? All right. So you can see all that was just nailed right into wood. Looks like that's dried right on there, Harry. There we go. Oh, it's nailed again.
Mm-hmm.
So that's nailed right here. This comes over, wraps over, and nails in. And then this strip comes in and is nailed over top of that. And then that other piece comes in over top all the nails.
There's a lot of nails.
So, yeah, there's a lot of nails.